YouTube? Today we're gonna do a mystery box Pusheen cat. Bring on the Pusheen cats. And we have a moon Pusheen cat.
So she's gonna be opening up that Pusheen cat box.
These are all the ones you can get. These are all the ones you can get. And let's get opening some. Ooh, it's really squeaky.
You need help? Show it.
Oh, it's got an ultra rare one.
You got random? Soraya got random.
It's an ultra rare.
Show the random. It's so cute. It's supposed to be biting on a Christmas tree.
That's a gingerbread cookie. So bring on another Pusheen cat. Someone over here.
Is that your favorite one so far?
Nope.
Need help? Soraya got the cookie one, where it cooks cookies.
Look it.
This is what it looks like on the box. And Soraya got the pink one. Okay, next one.
Bring on another Pusheen cat.
This is her last one.
Please be the one with the cookie because I love the one with the cookie right there.
The next one. The one next to the other one.
Make sure you hit the bell button and put a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Ooh, this one's so fluffy.
What did you get?
Gingerbread.
Oh, so I get the fluffy gingerbread cat. Let's see where it is. There it is, right there. Okay, so
My favorite one was this one. It's so cute and squishy. I love Pusheen cats. They're the best. And here's a moon Pusheen cat. And if you know Fortnite, there's a character named on Fortnite, Bunny Moon, and it's a moon Pusheen cat.
okay.
Bye.